Hi everyone, welcome back to Alika's Kitchen. Again, I'm your host, Lady M. Today, our recipe is gonna be my spicy shrimp pasta. Some of you guys were asking for it because I've posted it before saying I was gonna do the dish, and then I did a vegetarian dish. So here it is, the ingredients that you would need for the spicy shrimp pasta dish. Again, the recipe will be in the description box, so let's go through the list. Here I have 6 cups of penne pasta. You can use any type of pasta that you like. I have 52 shrimps that I've marinated, some asparagus that I chopped up, medium chopped, oyster mushrooms, red bell pepper, and 1 tomato that I diced finely. Then we have 1 tomato with some basil and garlic that I pureed, and there's a reason for that. 1/4 cup of dry white wine, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of chili flakes. So let's get cooking. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this pot, I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and it's already heated. There's a little bit of brown butter at the bottom. It's beautiful because it gives it a nice little bit of nutty flavor. So I don't know if you can see the little brown bits at the bottom there. It's on very low heat. So now I'm gonna crank it up just a little. And I'm gonna start with the puree tomato, garlic, and basil. I don't want to cook this too much. I still want a little bit of the tomato flavor. Now to this, I'm going to add the fresh diced tomatoes and the peppers. I'm going to crank up my heat a little bit. In goes my asparagus. Then my oyster mushroom. I'm gonna keep on building on these flavors. After the vegetables are a little bit tender, I'm gonna add the shrimp, and then I'll add the pasta with the wine, the chili flakes, and the Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna finish cooking this, and I'm gonna come back and show you how to plate it. Hi everyone, welcome back, and here we have it, the finished product, along with a good glass of white wine. It's a beautiful dish. It's very easy to make. 15-20 minutes when you get home. Pre-boil your pasta the night before and you should be good to go. I hope you enjoy making this dish. I hope your family enjoy eating this dish. I hope you enjoy the video like you did all the others. Please try new things, keep cooking, keep your palate open to different flavors. This is Lady M. Until the next video, saying bye.